Hello everyone, my name is Ana Silvia Torres and I'm a librarian at LA County Library. Do you often find yourself needing a little bit of help when it comes to legal information? Especially with things like wills, renters agreements, immigration forms, and more? Well, I'd like to introduce you to a legal database offered here at LA County Library called Legal Information Reference Center. Legal Information Reference Center is a great resource for those that are looking for full-text legal forms, reference books, articles, and publications. Legal Information Reference Center covers a wide variety of topics, all designed to assist you with your legal needs. I do want to add that Legal Information Reference Center is not a substitute for legal counsel. Do contact a lawyer if you have any questions. All you need to get started is an LA County Library card in good standing. Now grab that card and let me walk you through the database.
To access Legal Information Reference Center, you'll want to start on our website, lacountylibrary.org. Select Digital Library from the menu, and to the right under the Research section, select Databases. This is our database and online resources page, and to get to our legal databases, you want to select Legal, and there you'll find Legal Information Reference Center. Select it, and this link will take you to the database. Once you're in, the landing page provides an overview of the categories so that you can quickly find what you're looking for. For example, if you're interested in immigration and travel, then select Immigration and Travel. The database also offers NOLA books in its collection, which are books on legal references and information and various other topics. On the right-hand side, you can search for legal forms by state. This is helpful if you're planning on starting a business or move in a different state. Legal Information Reference Center has a basic search and an advanced search, and you can also save your search history. However, to do so, you will need to create an account on the database, and to do that, you can click on Sign In on the upper right-hand corner, and it'll walk you through the steps of creating your own account on the database, where you can not only save your search history, but any forms or books that you access. If you're interested in browsing through publications, you can select the Publications tab on the upper left-hand side. You have the option of searching by alphabetical order, by subject and description, and then you can also specify that you'd like to match any words when you type in the keywords that you'd like for your search. The last thing I'd like to show you are the different forms that you can access on Legal Information Reference Center. We'll use a rental agreement, for example. Under the name of the form and the description, you have the two formats that are available to you. You have the PDF full text, which allows you to download and fill out the form in Adobe. And once you select it, you can browse through it to see if this is the type of form that you'd like to use. And then on the right-hand side, you can download it by clicking on the download icon, and you can print it, as well as you have more options in the More icon. The second form that's available to you is in Rich Text, and you can access this form either in Word or any word processing software that you have. Once you click on it, it will download to your computer, and then it will open in the default Rich Text software for your computer. Once downloaded to your computer, you do have the option of opening it in your word processing software of choice. And there you have it. It's a brief overlook of the type of forms and information that's available to you in Legal Information Reference Center.
And that wraps up our tour of Legal Information Reference Center. As I mentioned before, the database is not a substitute for a lawyer, so do contact one if you have more in-depth needs or questions. I do recommend Legal Information Reference Center, however, if you're looking for forms or general research on the subject that interests you. Click the link in the description box for information on upcoming programs. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.